Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the quick link for an assignment that you have assigned to your students. Once you assign an assignment to your class, your assignments will populate on your homepage. You can look at your homepage in two ways, by My Classes or by Recent Assignments. If you're looking at the My Classes view, you'll see that the quick links are found for each assignment in the assignment box. You can just click on the link and then copy the student link and give it to your students. If you go over to the Recent Assignment tabs, you will see that the quick link is right here associated with each assignment. You could just again click on that link and copy the student link and give that link to your students. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the help or feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.